Oh no, he didn't. Oh, we're gonna need to talk about this. Welcome back to Daily Driven Exotics. If you are new, my name is Damon Fryer. Smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Join the Daily Driven Exotics community. We'd love to have you. Today's video, we just need to jump into it. On Instagram, I came across a LaFerrari leaving a car show in Southern California. Details around that, but let's just get to the footage first and see what everybody thinks. It's absolutely savage. Okay, so now let's talk about what we just witnessed. We witnessed a LaFerrari doing donuts, which is epic on its own level. Then you top that all off with the savagery of it being done in a public intersection. And then if you want to take it a step further, it's being done directly at the intersection when leaving a car show event at none other than Ferrari collector David Lee's event, Hing Wa Lee Jewelers. It's called Cars and Chronos. So this is an event down in Southern California. There's many amazing public displays of supercars and hypercars at different locations around Southern California. This one's very popular. I've attended it myself in the past. I know for a fact that there are staff at these events and they specifically tell you not to rev your engine, not to drive erratically when leaving. And this is all because the police and the law enforcement in the area put a lot of scrutiny and heat on these events. And yeah, what do you think is going to be the outcome of these actions of the driver? I have a feeling we know who the driver is. I'm not gonna say it on this video because I didn't see him with my own eyes driving this car. I certainly don't want to mislead or misrepresent who it could have been in the car. But if you go on Instagram and check out all of the people whose footage this was, by the way, amazing footage, all these short clips off of Instagram. Shout out to all those people, credit to them for the video footage of this event. I'll have links to all their Instagram accounts in the description below. Definitely go and give them a follow for, definitely getting us some amazing content for today. This is really more about the conversation around car enthusiasts and the public being able to come to these events and these events being able to be even held. And what do you think the outcome of all this is going to be? What do you think there should be, if any, for consequences towards the driver who did this? Fortunately, he did a good job when he pulled off the donut, and he did a nice little slide when he left, and it all looked fairly controlled. However, there's a lot of risk in these situations. There's people standing in the median, there's people standing on the sides of the curbs. And we all know what happens. We've all seen Mustangs over and over lose control and fly off into a crowd and people get hurt or cars get damaged. So there is a high level of danger and risk to doing these types of stunts. I've done plenty of donuts in public spaces, but more so a conversation between me and you guys. Drop a comment below. What do you think of this situation and everything that, what do you think is gonna come from this? Do you think that there's gonna be more heat, or do you think that this will just be internet badassery, savagery on a whole new level, and no one will think anything of it, and David Lee's show will continue on as usual? Thanks for watching the channel. Smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Peace. Shout out to the outro squad. We got a few options now while you're here. definitely smash the subscribe button over to your left and turn on the notification bell so you know when we drop our latest upload. Check out our merchandise on our store at dailydrivenexotics.com. Go and browse the other videos in the archived playlist, or just click on the next suggested video right here, and you guys keep watching my pretty face.